Hello friends, welcome back. I am Dhaneshwar Narayankar sir. Friends, we have gone through some paragraphs in part 1 in the previous video regarding the lesson His First Flight. Friends, now we are going to learn the remaining paragraphs of the lesson. In the previous paragraphs, we came to know that the young seagull was not ready to fly because of fear of failure and lack of confidence. His parents, his brothers, and his sister, everyone tried to encourage him, but he didn't move at all. Friends, now let's see what happens next regarding the young seagull in the remaining paragraphs. Now I am going to read the passage. Ga, 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 he cried, begging her to bring him some food. Guau, call, aha, she screamed back derisively. But he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as he flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into space. Friends, here the young seagull requests his mother for food again and again. When she comes nearer to him with the fish in her beak, he feels very happy. When she comes very close to him, she stops for a while. He surprises that why she is not giving him the food to eat. He also tries to go nearer his food. She halts but doesn't give him the food. But he is already maddened by hunger for the food and dives for the fish. And at the same time, he falls outwards and downwards into the space. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, तो यंग सीगल त्याच्या आईकडे अन्न देण्याची याचना करतो, ती मात्र त्याला तुच्छतेने हिणवत असते. परंतु तो पुन्हा पुन्हा विनंती करतो. त्याची आई माशाचा एक तुकडा आपल्या चोचीत धरते व त्याच्याजवळ जाते आणि अचानक ती जागेवर थांबते. त्या समुद्र पक्षाला याचे आश्चर्य वाटते. तो भुकेने व्याकुळ झालेला असतो आणि आईच्या चोचीतील ते अन्न साध्य करण्यासाठी मिळवण्यासाठी तो अचानक झेप घेतो. तो अशा पद्धतीने तो आता या ठिकाणी उंच आकाशामध्ये भरारी घेतो. विद्यार्थी मित्र, या पॅसेजमध्ये काही नवीन शब्द आहेत. सम न्यू वर्ड्स. डेरिजिव्हली मीन्स इन अ मॅनर शोईंग समवन दॅट ही ऑर सी इज स्टुपिड, एखाद्याला उपहासाने बोलणे. प्लेंटिवली मीन्स एक्सप्रेसिंग सॉरो, दुःख व्यक्त करणे. द नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ. Then a monstrous terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could not hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. The wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Ga, 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 ga. Gaw, call, oh. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him, screaming. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Friends, here he afraids a lot when he hears nothing for a while, but soon he realizes that his wings are spread outwards. The wind rushes against his breast, feathers under his stomach and his wings. He flies, floats in the air. Now he realizes that he is soaring gradually downwards and upwards. He doesn't afraid now, just feels a bit uncomfortable, seems losing his balance. Now he flaps his wings and soars upwards. His father, his mother, his brothers and his sister also fly around him. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, अचानकच घेतलेल्या झेपेमुळे तो प्रचंड घाबरतो. काही वेळ त्याला कशाचाही आवाज ऐकू येत नाही, पण पुढच्या क्षणी त्याला जाणवते की त्याचे पंख हवेत पसरले आहेत. पहिल्यांदाच बरार घेतल्यामुळे त्याला हवेचा अंदाज येत नाही. तो हेलकावे खातो, पंखामध्ये वारा शिरतो, तो स्थिरावतो व त्याची भीती हळूहळू कमी होऊ लागते. काही क्षण त्याला भोवळ आल्यासारखे वाटते, पण तो आपले पंख पुन्हा फडफडतो व आईकडे झेप घेतो. त्याला उडताना पाहून त्याच्या कुटुंबातील प्रत्येकांना खूप आनंद होतो व ते प्रत्येकजण त्याच्यासोबत हवेत झेप घेतात. अगेन वी हॅव सम न्यू वर्ड्स. मॉन्स्ट्रस मीन्स शॉकिंग, भीतीदायक. डिझी means having an uncomfortable feeling of spinning around and losing one's balance, म्हणजे चक्कर आल्यासारखे वाटणे किंवा भोवळ येणे. कर्वेटिंग मीन्स लीपिंग लाईक अ हॉर्स, मीन्स कसरती करणे. बँकिंग मीन्स फ्लाईंग विथ वन विंग हायर दॅन द अदर, म्हणजे एक पंख उंच करून उडणे. नाव द नेक्स्ट पॅसेज. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, striking shrilly. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs and to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise. Exhausted by the strange exercise, his feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther. He was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight. Friends, here he completely forgets that he was unable to fly, and now he dives and soars and curves happily. He comes near the vast green sea and screams happily. After some time, his parents, his brothers, and his sister land on the green floating ahead of him. They ask to follow them. He drops his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sink into it. He screams with fright and tries to rise again, flapping his wings. He tires and becomes weak with hunger and was unable to fly. He floats on it, but his family screams praises him, and they offer him scraps of dogfish with their beaks. Friends, at last he makes his first flight by overcoming the fear of failure. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आपल्याला उडता येत नव्हते हे तो पूर्णपणे विसरतो. आणि आत्ता आनंदाने हवेत जोरजोरात सूर मारतो, भरारी घेतो, विहरतो व आनंदाने आरोळीसुद्धा देतो. शेवटी एका हिरव्यागार अशा ठिकाणावर ते सर्वजण एकत्र येतात. तो पक्षी मात्र त्या कसरतीने पुरता दमलेला असतो. त्याची केविलवाणी अवस्था पाहून इतर सर्वजण त्याला मासे भरवतात, त्याच्या उड्डाणाची स्तुती करतात व आनंदाने किंचाळ्या करतात. शेवटी अशा पद्धतीने त्या तरुण समुद्र पक्ष्याने आपली पहिली भरारी घेतलेली असते. फ्रेंड्स, अगेन वी हॅव सम न्यू वर्ड्स. श्रायकिंग मीन्स मेकिंग अ लाऊड क्राय, किंकाळ्या मारणे. रीज मीन्स अ चेन ऑफ हिल्स, पर्वतरांग. अम्युजली मीन्स प्लेजरेबली मीन्स आनंदाने. बीकन टू गिव अ सिग्नल टू मूव नियर ऑर टू फॉलो, खुणावणे, बोलावणे. एक्झॉस्ट वेअर आउट, दमणे किंवा थकणे. फ्रेंड्स, here the mother plays a trick to arouse his need, and she lastly lures him out with food, to his momentary horror and then great joy. Here the writer of this story, Liam O'Flaherty, was a keen observer of the sea life, and he believed that man has a lot to learn from nature. He has given a human touch to the seagull's flight. This story highlights the importance of independence, self-belief, and confidence, and the need for motivation to attain goals. Necessity is always the mother of invention, but it sometimes needs an initial spark from outside. Everyone needs to be independent, even while staying involved in family life. Friends, at last I would like to share one Chinese proverb. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day, and teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, या म्हणीचा असा अर्थ आहे, एखाद्याला पोट भरण्यासाठी अन्न देत राहिलो तर ते त्या दिवसापुरते मर्यादित राहते. तो पुन्हा आपल्या मदतीची वाट पाहत असतो. म्हणून एखाद्याला अन्न देण्यापेक्षा अन्न कसे कष्ट करून मिळवावे हे आपण जर शिकवले तर त्याला त्याचा जीवनभर उपयोग होईल. फ्रेंड्स, आय थिंक यू लर्न्ड अ लॉट फ्रॉम दिस लेसन. This lesson is very, very important in our life. So read this lesson again and again. Thank you very much.